have I heard about ICSN?
Yeah.
I was actually once a network director for ICSN. So, come on.
There's always something to learn, there's always new people to meet. It sounds a bit cliche, but and I'm sure other people have said it, but it's an opportunity to learn about our culture, to get involved in our culture, and to just meet new people who are exciting, fun, and maybe people you never would have met otherwise.
My favourite thing is the community spirit. So coming together with like-minded people who share our heritage.
It's a community, it's a family. Yeah. So whether or not you're here or you're in the supermarket or at uni, you'll bump into someone from ICSN.
Yeah.
So it's wonderful.
It brings me closer to my people. You know, secondary school, I didn't have friends that could speak Igbo. Now I have friends speak Igbo, interact with. I'm a dance soca, wow, you understand? So, you know.
I think the basic thing about this event is, you know, bringing together Igbo people, especially. For me, they're coming together, you know, to learn about this culture. You know, it's like the brightest point for me.
Basically, it's about culture. It's about networking. It's about giving back to the community.
This is somewhere you can learn about your heritage, where you're from.
Yeah.
The language school, we've got ICSN dance troupe.
Yeah.
There will be a cooking school.
Yeah.
So there's a wealth of knowledge that you can learn. So it's not just about, okay, yes, it's social. Yes, you can meet someone, but come here, learn about your culture.
Definitely.
Learn about Igbo land.
First and foremost, it's about cultural edification, cultural enlightenment. But social is secondary.
Yeah, we provide jollof rice at the GHM meetings. It's £3, so it's affordable. There's drinks, not just jollof rice. We've got Fridays as well. You know, maybe we're actually thinking about bringing in Nkwobi and Ishewu, maybe that one, because Nkwobi and Ishewu, you don't get it all the time. Jollof rice, you get it all the time, but Nkwobi and Ishewu, just once in a while, once in a month, that will attract more people, so definitely.
When I first joined, I think I got to give a performance at the Iriji Festival in front of a crowd of about 600 people. So that was quite nice in Igbo too.
You're at home and you're not doing anything. Pick up your oyster, get your car key, jump in your car, you'll get here, you'll meet someone.
We're happy to welcome newbies.
Yeah.